everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, I showed you guys how to make this charm necklace, and I mentioned that in this next video I was going to be showing you guys how to attach a pendant or a charm that already has a bail at the top. I also thought I'd throw these bubble balloon letters in here as well to show you that there's also charms that have a hole that go through them as well. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to utilize this owl tool for chains that are super dainty, that don't already have a big enough link to attach a jump ring on it. Let's get right into how to create this piece. My chain is already cut, and all you need to do is take your owl tool and put it into the last link of the chain. What you want to do is twist the owl tool left and right enough to where the chain link expands out enough to fit that jump ring on there. So as you can see, the last link is more rounded. It has more space in between to fit that ring on there. And then you just want to go ahead and repeat the same thing to the opposite side of the chain link. So both sides of the chain link should be expanded out enough to fit that jump ring on. To begin, you want to grab your set of pliers and the jump ring that you'll be using. And I'll be sure to include all the item numbers that I'm using in this video down below in the description, so you can just click the link and shop the exact one. Open up the jump ring and attach it to the last link of the chain, and attach your clasp to the jump ring. And use your set of pliers to close up the ring. Pass it. Hear that click. And come back to where they meet. Now that we have the clasp and the jump ring on the chain, attach this chain onto the bubble letter, and it will look just like that. And next, all you need to do is grab your jump ring and open it up with your set of pliers, attach it to the other side of the chain, and using your set of pliers, go ahead and close it up, pass it, and come back to where they meet. For this specific charm, the really amazing thing is that the charm will not slip off because the jump ring is big enough to stop it from falling off. Now I'm going to go ahead and test out and see if one of the bear charms will fit on with the jump ring in there as well. And it does. If you did want to stop this bear from sliding off of the chain, you should utilize a larger jump ring. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do in order to utilize a dainty chain and charms that already have a bail attachment, or one where the chain loops right through it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the like button if you enjoyed watching this video.